Hello everybody to the new video with the content get Power BI data in Excel as flat table, and yes, you are right, it's flat table, no pivot table at all. Instead of showing you the steps to achieve this goal, I start with the result. As you can see, here are different kind of flat tables which are directly connected to Power BI model hosted on Power BI service. They are not only plain tables, but also tables with measures from the Power BI model. As you can see, this is just Excel files, which is created by Analyze in Excel from the Power BI server. Here can you see a simple Power BI model with a cool slice on the bottom or on the left. We have a couple of dimensions here and a separated measures table to group in my measures. Here you can see turnover quantity, and turnover, for example, is a simple sum of the sales demand from the table sales. Now one important thing to achieve the goal is to implement some kind of dummy measure in a dimension table, because only with quantity and turnover it will not work later on. As you can see, we save the model, switch to Power BI service, and use the Analyze in Excel to create an Excel which is directly connected to the Power BI model. Switch back locally, open the Excel file. Here you can see the typical standard pivot table where we have the quantity turnover in the measures table, track the turnover measures to values, grab some geography information, and now we have our pivot table, can drill down on the rows, and now we double click on the measure, and here the separated measures table comes into play, because we have only measures here in the measures table which we do a drill down by double click. There is instead of drill down information, we have an error message here because there are only measures in this table. So our W for Excel measures, which is in the product table, can be tracked to values, and now the double click works. It doesn't matter at all what this measure contains. So we have the plain table, which is the first step. Here we see the products of the Power BI model. This table also is directly connected to the Power BI model, and we, for example, can refresh all so that our data model directly gets fresh data from these connections. So back to the Power BI model. You see here we have the customer dimensions table, and we can now use by right click table, edit query. You also see edit DAX is grayed out, but it works. We can put in any DAX evaluation or DAX measure or DAX syntax. So for example, we do here evaluate on customer dimension table, click OK, and get the live data from Power BI model with all our customers. We rename the tab to customers tab and have here a flat table which is directly connected to our Power BI model. We duplicate this customer tab and we name it to products and add a measure here, the quantity measure. So we use some kind of little bit more complicated DAX evaluation, edit query again, and put in and summarize with quantity, click OK, and have here our products table with the quantity sold in a flat table. Now we can remove our step slicer, tab, and as you can see, you You can simply refresh all tabs by clicking refresh all, and you can also add some, for example, sum calculations for the imported tables. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you very much. Bye.